Welcome to Bel-Air, where luxury meets perfection. Hidden among the Hollywood hills lies a mansion so grand, it redefines what money can buy. This is The One, a $250 million masterpiece, and one of the most expensive homes ever built in America. Stretching across 105,000 square feet, The One sits high above Los Angeles, with panoramic views of the city, the ocean, and the mountains. The design took over a decade to complete, and every inch was built to impress the elite. This isn't just a home, it's a private kingdom. Step inside, and you'll find a 50-car garage, a private nightclub, a 4-lane bowling alley, and a home theater larger than most cinemas. The mansion includes 21 bedrooms, 42 bathrooms, and 5 swimming pools, each with a view worth millions. The master suite alone covers over 5,000 square feet. That's bigger than most luxury apartments in New York. For most, this is a dream. For billionaires, just another Tuesday. You've been watching Elite Voyage. Subscribe for more glimpses into a world beyond imagination.